Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to full line by line deep dive into a Java sorted array back dictionary. We will cover four source files: DictionaryInterface.java, ArrayDictionaries.java, SortedArrayDictionaries.java, and DictionaryDemo.java, and then run the demo to see every console output. By the end, you will know exactly how each method works under the hood. Let's start DictionaryInterface.java. Public interface dictionary interface angel bracket k comma v close brackets brace. This line on dictionary interface.java declares or generic dictionaries API with k type key and value type v. Next, the method signatures online to truth and define the contract public v key k v value to insert or update entry and return the previous value public v remove key k to delete an entry by key and return its value public v get value key k to look up a value or return null if absent public boolean contains key k to test print public iterator k gets key iterator and public iterator v get value iterator to trace k and values. Public boolean is empty to check empties. Public int get size to retrieve entry count and public void clear to remove all entries with line 11 closing the interface. Let's switch to ArrayDictionary.java. At the top line on through three imports, java-util.arrays and java.util.iterator and java.util.no such element exception for resizing, iteration, and iterator or error handling. On line 4, public class array dictionary angel bracket key comma v close angel bracket implements dictionary interface angel bracket key comma v close angel bracket begins or unsorted array implementation. Line 5 and 6 declare the protected files entry dictionary int number of entries. Line 7 and 8 set default capacity to 10 and max capacity to 10,000. The no arguments constructor on lines 10 12 calls this default capacity. The capacity constructor or on lines 14 22 throws illegal argument exception. If init capacity is negative, then allocasts an object array cast to entry assigned into dictionary and sets number of entries to 0. Line 25 marks override public v and key k v value brace. Inside at line 26 28 we reject null case or values. Line 29 declares v result equals to null. And line 30 calls int key index equal to locates in parentheses k. Line 31 truth 38 if key index smaller than number of entries, we update the value at that index and store the old in result. Otherwise, we create a new entry key and value. And dictionary number of enter size, increment number of entries and call ensure capacity to grow if necessary. Line 39 return results. The remove method on lines 44, 53, follows a similar pattern. Line 43, initialize v results equals to null. Line 45 locates the key, and if found line 46 for 51, store its value, swaps the last entry into its slots, null the last slots, decrements number of entries, and return the removed value. Lookup utilities follow get value on lines 55, 63, returns the value if found contains on line 65, 68, checks presents, get key iterator and get value iterator on line 71, 78, supply new key iterator and value iterator is empty on line 183, returns true. If number of entries is 0, get size on line 868 T8, return the count and clear one lines 91, 96. Null out all used lost and resert the count. The helper locates key k and lines 98, 104 performs a liner search up to number of entries. The resize method ensure capacity on lines and 106, 113 doubles the array length when full, caps at max capacity, and throws illegal state exception if it cannot grow further. Lines 150 through 122 define the inner entry class that holds a final key and a mutable value with getter and setter. Then the private key iterator class on line 124, 130 captures current index equals to 0, implement has next, returning current index smaller than number of entries. Next, returning dictionary current index plus plus get key, or through no such element exception. And unsupported remove the value iterator class on lines 132, 138 is identical, but returns get value instead of get k. Let's switch to SortedArrayDictionaries.java. On line 1, we import the java.util.iterator. Line 2 declares public class sorted array dictionary angel bracket key, extends comparable super comma key, value close angel bracket, extends array dictionary angel bracket, key comma v close angel bracket, implements dictionary interface angel bracket key comma v close angel bracket, indicating a sorted execution of the base dictionary. The no arguments constructor on the line 3 calls super. Line 411 override add key k v value after null checks on line 5. Line 6 calls int k index equal to locate index key, which does a binary search in lines 36, maintain low and high, computing mid, comparing via k dot compare to dictionary mid dot get key, adjust low or high and return low when done. Back in add if the k already exists at that index. Line 7, 8, we update its value, otherwise line 9, 11, we call make remove, make room, k index, shifting elements to the right in lines. 89, assign a new entry key value, increments number of entries and call ensure capacity. Lines 22, 2022. Override getValue key to use locate index for O log n. Look up if k index smaller than number of entries and match. We return the value, else return null. Let's switch to DictionaryDemo.java. Finally, DictionaryDemo.java line 3 prints creating a sorted array dictionary to store students' ID and names. Line 4 declares dictionary interface integer and string. Students dictionary equals to new sorted array dictionaries. Line 6-7 test is empty, printing true. Line 8-9 test get size, printing 0. Line 11-13 begin adding entries. Student dictionary.add 105 Johnson. Prints adding 105 Johnson. Previous value was null. Repeated for IDs 101 Smith, 103 Williams, 102 Jones, and 110 Brown. On lines 14, 21, lines 23, 26, retest get size, printing 5 and is empty, printing false. Line 28 prints display all entries should be sorted order by k, and calls display dictionary which use get k iterators and get value key to print case in accessing order 101 Smith, 102 Jones, 103 Williams, 105 Jones, 110 Brown. Lines 31, 34 test contains 103 true and contain 106 false. Line 36, 39 test get value 102, it's return Jones, and get value 107, it's returns null. Line 41, 44 demonstrate updating and exiting key, retrieving old 647 redisplay the update dictionary. Line 49, 54 test remove 103 printing removed values was Williams and remove 107 printing result was null. The lines 56, 57 display the dictionary again. Lines 59, 61 call clear, print dictionary cleared, and lines 62, 66 verify get size is 0, is empty is true, and display dictionary prints the dictionary is empty. And I am running these codes. Dictionary demo is writing the console like this, creating a sorted array dictionary to store students' ID and names, and like this, and like this. Lastly, each line you see map directly to the code we just walked through, giving you a complete understanding of how to store array dictionary work in Java. Thanks for watching. If you found this detailing walkthrough helps, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for more in-depth coding tutorials. Happy coding day, and I will see you in the next video.